You drill holes, tear out of my lungs, you skin me alive. I am deprived, destroying all of my children, slaughtered by the billion. All that I created for you, you abused. No respect, you're a virus I wish I never had. Polluted the whole being that I am. I will become bad. I will become bad. I was so fertile and a perfect balance. For everything there was a place. I don't understand why you run this imaginary race. Always on the hunt to have more. Greed made you blind. You're so sick in your mind. Why you call yourself mankind? You're not kind at all. Where the fuck is your soul? I'm a killer too, I let the terror rain down on you. My breath will blow away all that you constructed. My war will take it all, the beautiful ones and the corrupted. My skin will grow you empty food. Try to fuck with me some more, I promise you will be screwed. I won't distinguish young, old, good or bad. I will take every child, woman and man. Bang, bang, what you give you get back like a fucking boomerang. Bang, bang, what you give you get back like a fucking boomerang. Bang, bang, what you give, you get back like a fucking boomerang. Do you want me to be your worst enemy? Caffeinated chemicals injected in me. I'm your god and you committed blasphemy. I give you horror without feeling. Can't have no more, my wounds are bleeding. One spare a kind heart, I will show you where I'm capable of. Your corpses piled up will be my finest work of art. Bang, bang, what you give you get back like a fucking boomerang. Bang, bang, what you give you get back like a fucking boomerang.